Ever wonder how those captivating motivational videos on YouTube that get millions of views are made? These days, such motivational YouTube shorts get millions of views, but their making is very simple. In fact, YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok are indeed earning serious money through these simple videos. In this video, I'm going to show you the easiest and fastest way to make these motivational-style short-form videos using the power of AI. Let's break it down into simple steps. Make sure you watch the entire video because every step is important. Step 1. Starting off with Chat GPT. Give it a prompt like, "Could you create 20 motivational quotes for me? Please make them straightforward, easy to understand, and engaging." Then, click Generate. You can generate as many as you want. If you're not happy with the length of the quotes, ask Chat GPT to make them shorter or longer. Next step, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit subscribe for more content like this. Got questions or thoughts? Drop them in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Step 2. Create the video. I will create these videos using FLIKI, where I'll also add the voiceover. All the tools I use will be linked in the video description below, so feel free to give it a try yourself. Use the code FLIKI10 to receive a 10% discount. Simply create an account, select New File, and hit Submit. Then you can copy a quote you've generated with ChatGPT and paste it into FLIKI. The thing is, the whole quote was one scene. You might want to switch up the video, making the video more engaging so that people view the video longer. You can do this by adding another scene. This can be done by the plus icon. Then you read through your quote, pretty much find where you think the right place would be, and then you can copy the rest of the quote and paste it in the next scene. Keep repeating the action until you are done cutting the quote into the required number of scenes. Now let's choose the footage. It actually doesn't matter what exactly you are taking. You're just searching, for example, some cinematic footage, and take it almost arbitrarily. And now, of course, the voiceover. You will then want to select the name of the voiceover and choose Male Voiceovers. Look for the voiceover called Gavin, click his name and select Apply this voice to all the voiceovers and hit Select. Finally, you're going to click on Settings again, and there you will put the gap from scene to scene, this time reducing it to 0.2 seconds. That way the pause and the voiceover between the scenes will be shorter, and the time that the voiceover lasts will sound more natural. And make this last scene longer. Add some time manually. It will have music added in post-production. Go to the last scene, select More, then Duration. From there, you can make the scene 4 seconds. Now click on Download. Step 3. Music. You can add copyrighted music to your video through YouTube using the audio library of YouTube Shorts without getting a copyright strike. Select the music of your choice, then click Download. Step 4. Bringing it all together using CapCut. Import the video downloaded from FLIKI, then add the music downloaded from YouTube Studio. For the motivation video, the music is very important. First and foremost, you would be looking for the drop or climax in the music. Hence, you would want to be playing the song to find that point. Let me give you an example. So, it will drop right about there, and what you want to do is set the timing bar at this exact place and drag the video on top of it. Then, in that video, you can see the sound waves from the speech. What you want to do is place the ending of the sound wave from the speech just before the drop of the music. Now, where the drop of the music starts, the speech ends right there. So now I just delete the rest of the music and I just drag this start of the music to the start of my video. And now what I will do is decrease a bit of the volume of this music. You can do this by choosing the music and pulling the volume slider to the left in the top right corner of the screen. And now this part is done. These motivational videos all have just a hint of darkness, mystery to them, as you will be able to see in the samples I have shown you. This is done with the help of color grading of the videos. So first, you would choose the video, then go over the adjustments at the top right. There are many settings here that you could change, and you need to accordingly set them according to the video. I encourage you to experiment with all these sliders until you find a set of them you are happy with. Now let's take a look at the result.
You don't have to be great to start, but you have to start to be great. Every journey begins with a single step. Don't let the fear of imperfection hold you back from pursuing your dreams. Start wherever you are with whatever you have and take that first step towards greatness. The only way to reach the summit is to begin the climb.
By following this AI automation process, you can create a faceless YouTube channel that engages viewers, leading to views, which in turn lead to money. Remember, consistency is key. So conduct your own research and experiment with more creative ideas. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Remember to like and subscribe for more AI content. If you want help out of the matrix, AI era has got your back. Stay tuned, stay inspired, and who knows, maybe you'll be the next faceless YouTube sensation. Until next time, keep exploring and keep creating.